The Tesla has released Model 3 Model Y Puddle lights in the North America for $65 and $90 in Canada. And the position light present a high definition Tesla world mark onto the ground every time you open the door. These lights come in two sets, with one light for driver and another for passenger side. These lights are designed to be user friendly and easy to install. And the new Puddle light not only enhance visibility but also add a touch of branding and luxury to the vehicle entry experience.